InstaSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to InstaSwap are in the description. InstaSwap is a fast, secure, and non-custodial crypto swap platform designed for users who want instant transactions with no registration or KYC requirements. It supports over 130 cryptocurrencies, allowing seamless cross-chain swaps with competitive exchange rates. One of InstaSwap's key features is its real-time rate optimization, which ensures users get the best available exchange rate at the time of the transaction. Unlike traditional exchanges, InstaSwap does not hold your funds. Instead, it directly transfers the swapped assets to your wallet, minimizing risk. Transactions are typically completed within minutes, making it a great option for traders and investors who need speed and efficiency. Using InstaSwap is simple. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange. Enter your wallet address and send the funds. The platform automatically processes the swap and transfers the exchanged assets directly to your wallet. There are no deposit or withdrawal limits, which makes it suitable for both small and large transactions. Security is a priority for InstaSwap. Since it is non-custodial, it does not store user funds, reducing exposure to hacks. All transactions occur directly on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and reliability. The platform also integrates Lightning Network support, allowing for faster and lower-cost Bitcoin transactions. The clean and intuitive interface makes InstaSwap easy to use for both beginners and experienced traders. Additionally, InstaSwap provides API integration, which is beneficial for businesses and developers looking to integrate crypto swaps into their platforms. InstaSwap is best suited for users who want quick, private, and hassle-free crypto exchanges with no signups or limits. Whether you're an investor looking for a secure way to swap assets or a trader seeking fast execution, InstaSwap offers a seamless and reliable experience. Overall, InstaSwap is a trustworthy and efficient crypto swap platform. With no KYC, no limits, and instant transactions, it's an excellent choice for anyone who values privacy, speed, and ease of use. Links to InstaSwap are in the description.